Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a chat at some of the caravan accessories that we found to be a waste of money for us. So we're away at the moment, we've been seeing Alfie, and we were sat here yesterday and I was watching a chap put down a flagpole that he'd had up all weekend. And Juliet said to me,
I said, didn't we have one of those? And Phil said, yes we did. And I went, we've never used it, have we? He went, no, we haven't.
so it got us thinking, what other things have we bought that we've found to either not use or been a waste of money for us? So we're going to have a chat about them now. And number one is obviously the flagpole. And what also made me think about that flagpole is probably why we never used it, is I watched him struggle to actually
You did.
pull it down.
10-15 minutes?
Yeah, he was messing around with it for ages, so I'm assuming that's probably another reason why I couldn't be bothered. And secondly, it's personal opinion in it. Some people don't like them, and some sites ban them, don't they?
They do, so we actually never
So we never bothered with
used
it. So there you go, that's 30 quid wasted. So let's have a look at something else. Now the next thing, it's got to be the foam interlocking mats.
That was my idea. I thought it would be lovely and soft. Get out of the caravan into the awning and it'd be nice and soft and comfortable. They took up so much space.
Yeah,
You
they did.
fell over them every time you came in the caravan to try and move them when you first got there. They were in the way. There were so many of them. Oh, that was a really bad idea.
They were, and actually, believe it or not, even though they were made of foam, they were quite heavy as well as bulky.
They were.
So
just too
they
much.
took up payload, and that wasn't good for us. Now, don't get me wrong, if you've got a seasonal pitch, I would
they're
recommend them.
fantastic.
Yeah,
Absolutely. They actually are good. There's nothing wrong with them. They were just too bulky, and the idea was good. It just didn't work for us.
no. So I ended up selling them, didn't I?
Yeah, they went with the porch awning.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah,
what
the
happened
first
to
porch
them.
awning we had.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else?
I think you said about. Well, actually, we had something, and actually, it was absolutely brilliant.
Oh,
They
yeah.
are great, and they work really well. And we put them up, and we sat there and went, "It's like having a permanent big light on," and they were
The Van Gogh lights, the Van Gogh awning lights. As Juliet said, they work brilliantly, and that's the problem. They work too well. Now, even though they had a dimmer on them, they were still
sat
bright.
there with a big light on all
Yeah.
the time.
It's like trying to watch telly with a big light on at home. It's just not. They just. We ended up selling them, didn't we?
Well, yeah, because you go to the facilities, you turn around and you go, whoa, that is bright. Everybody could just see into the awning. You know, it was just too bright.
It was like a silhouette puppet show, wasn't it?
It was actually. We said.
So they definitely had to go for us. They were just not for us. What else is on the list?
I think you had the pegs.
Oh,
I mean, we've gone
yeah.
through so many pegs from every description. We carry so many pegs.
We did. I thought it'd be a good idea because we were going on a lot of sites that had quite hard standing. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get some of them screw-in pegs. Well, I'll be honest with you, I can't get on with them things. Every time I tried to use them, one, I have to bring my drill with me. Well, I do for the steadies anyway, but I had to use the drill. And every time it got close to the actual strapping, it used to spin round and actually twist up, and it used to drive me potty.
Alfie liked them though because the swearing filled up the caravan swear jar.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, he did. I filled the swear jar up with them. I just couldn't get on with them. Just give me a normal rock peg any day of the week. I can handle that, especially with my lump hammer. But them screw-in ones, waste of money. I don't even know where they went. I think they actually went down the tip. Oh, the mower's just arrived. So we're going to be a bit noisy for a moment. So you'll have to bear with us. So I'm just going to check with my glasses. Now this is self-inflicted really, I suppose. And it is 2 items. And that is the Aqua Roll and the Wastemaster. Now for us, they're a waste of time.
Yeah, we don't use them.
Because we just don't use them. We go on fully serviced pitches like we are today. So they never get used. One's in the loft, one's in the garage, and they're just gathering dust. So for us, perhaps they were a waste of money.
Yeah, we just thought it'd be a fun thing to share what we'd actually purchased and we never actually used or only used once. Perhaps you've got other items that you thought would be a great idea to bring with you and never even used them and never even got them out of the box.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what you've wasted your money on. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. We'll have to suffer the lawnmower a bit longer now. Bye for now.
Bye.